Stream music.
George A. bless this mess.
Excuse me?
Reaction.
Boom, what's ready to be boy Type Blast aka the Reaction Boss. And I'm back in effect with another video for you guys, people. Before the video begins, leave a like on the video. Now drop a comment to see your comment right there next to the video I post. Alright, now we heard another artist from over Kenya. His name is called Rudra Kartel. So obviously, you know, so he's a Vibes Cartel inspired artist. You feel me? Now, I don't know what to expect. Right now, in my eyes, I don't know if you're gonna agree with me or not. There's a message. Uncle Jane John. You feel me? One of the baddest thing them over there right now. It's a message. So this is my first time listening to. I go listen to Rudra Kartel. Like, this is what I'm forward with. Listen me, because without the comment argument, they don't check already. Listen me. But let's get straight to the video. Like the video, subscribe to the channel if you are new, and we're to 100k subscribers. And you, if you don't subscribe, we're not gonna make it done. So subscribe. If you don't subscribe, subscribe. Alright, make up yourself. Make us see what go on. Rudra Kartel. Aren't you?
Stream music.
George A. bless this mess.
Excuse me? Alright, let's go.
Stream music.
George A. bless this mess.
Girl, I love your skin and sound. Girl, I love your skin and sound. Love your skin and sound. It's Rudra Kartel. You never walk alone.
What Kartel song go? Come on, Kartel was a song of the same flow, yeah. But we're not talking about that right now. Hold on, come here.
Sound. It's Rudra Kartel. You never walk alone.
Never.
You stand by my side. Kwa social media unanichizisha hadi mamble na wanaona usiku mchana na kuota. Girl, I'm in love with your soul, in love with your body, in love with your life. Baby, girl, I'm in love with you. Manziwanairobi, manziwanairobi.
Oh, she's shy. Oh no. Hold on, go on.
Nairobi, manziwanairobi.
No, video me. She like, no, video me, no, me shut.
Manziwanairobi, manziwanairobi. Umbo lake la nikanganya, nina kichaa, mtoto na tabia za kichaka, nitadichaka, inaweza tema ndo niteleze, inani.
Bro, who come put the angles then for this video? You know I said so. Then he said so. Who tell us? You know what, run through, let's chat things.
Baka ngoja kwanza tuanze na munju. Lipi nataka, clit inanuka kitanda. Vile nataka, vile unavotingiza bomba unanibamba. Vile unavotingiza bomba unanibamba. Miti zilianze kwa kiti hadi kwa kitanda. Nyembe kanikatisha hanja, nikajibamba. Dem akapiga nduru, limi ikanilamba. Kwa maradhi ananitibu hadi na banja kijaka. Sio ni ujawa na morali, bebu kinipapasa. Ni magibomba, buda maisha sina nibamba. Daily ni mate, piga munju limi ya brown skin na.
So I'm actually a girlfriend, right? I will confirm, so I'm actually a girl at the blood club.
Dirty dancing, munju limi ya brown skin na dirty dancing. Piga munju limi ya brown skin. You never walk alone.
Remember that?
You stand by my side. Kwa social media unanichizisha hadi mamble na wanaona usiku mchana na kuota. Girl, I'm in love with your soul, in love with your body.
I can't tell inspired to blood clean. Yeah, man, I can't tell inspired. A black cartel, listen to people, never hear about it, man.
Body in love with your life, baby, girl, I'm in love with you. Manziwanairobi, manziwanairobi.
I was gonna say, I can't tell inspired to blood.
Manziwanairobi, manziwanairobi. Girl, I love your skin and sound. Girl, I love your skin and sound. Love your skin and sound. It's Rudra Kartel.
Yeah, I want to see what the comment section has about this song. Because this is a very interesting video. Make up yourselves to Rudra Kartel. The idea thing, I swear Rudra Kartel, the Swedish Rudra Kartel will be the first Kenyan to welcome cartel in Kenya. And then you come from freedom. It's cartel island. Jamaica said with you. Alright, you never walk alone. You stand by my side. We're from Jamaica. Actually, I have Jamaicans in the comment section and pick up with that. Big up yourself. This one is either Vibes Cartel's son or grandson. My blood clot. Big up Rudra Kartel. Kenyan Gaza Nation Cartel. Kenya World Boss. African Vibes Cartel at work. Alright then. Nigga acting like he from 20 years in the shit. No sex and beer. No sir. And repeat. Check out one of us in my opinions. Kenya Dancehall King. Portmore, Kenya. My bum buckler. Hey, you know, what this I said? The full story of Toxic Lyrica. I forgot to check out that. Anyways, soon another video. I'm make up on yourself as usual. Like the video, comment on the video. You see me say comments get to see over this one. Subscribe to the channel. Like we have different right now. Different subscribe to them. So subscribe. I'm out.